Hello there. I have often told you stories about the way I lived the life of a drifter, waiting for the day when I take your hand and sing a song, and maybe you would say, come live with me and love me, and I will surely stay. But I feel I'm growing older, and the song that I have sung echo in the distance like the sound of a windmill going round. Guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune. Many times I've been a traveler, I long for something new. Days they evolved when the night will come, I wandered without you. But those days I closed my eyes and see you standing near. Though the blindness is confusing, it's sure that you're not here. How I feel I'm growing older, and the song that I have sung echo in the distance like the sound of a windmill going round. I guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune. Yes, I can hear the sound of a windmill going round. I guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune. I guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune.